Welcome to Welch's Hot Wheels. We got 10 cars that are going to battle it out for points. And we'll see who will prevail at the end of the season. Each win is 25 points. If you make it down the track, you get 10 points. If you fail to make it down the track, you get 0 points. Let's see who wins the season. Starting off season 1 with a 1970 AMC Rebel in the right lane. We have a GT 500 in the left. AMC for the win with a 1.405 to a 1.596. Race 2, we got a 1970 Chevelle in the right lane. We have a 1973 Ford Falcon in the left. Right lane, a 1.525 to a 1.543 Chevelle for the win. Race number 3, we have a 68 Plymouth Barracuda in the right lane. We have a 86 Monte Carlo in the left. Right lane, a 1.367 to a 1.390 Barracuda for the win. Race number 4, we have a 69 Dodge Charger in the right lane. We have a 92 Ford Mustang in the left. Right lane, 1.509 to a 1.664 Dodge Charger for the win. Race number 5 and final race for the night. We have a Dodge Coronet Super B in the right lane. We have a 69 Camaro in the left. Left lane, 1.475 to a 1.672 Camaro for the win. Here's the official results from round 1 in season 1. Points are listed and the time is listed. Time is important because this sets the next lineup for next week. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.